Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel for the Bible Study Club. My name is Clarence Haynes, and my wife and I, we started the Bible Study Club really with one goal in mind, and that's to help people move forward and take their next step in their journey with Jesus. And that could mean that you're just kind of starting out. Maybe you're exploring, trying to discover stuff about the Bible and who God is, or maybe you've been at this for a while and you need some encouragement along the way. It really doesn't matter where you are, you're all welcome here, and that's what we are excited about doing. Here's what we do. We really do three things in the Bible Study Club. The first thing is we want to get you to open God's Word. That's a good place to start. The second is to help you discover truth in God's Word. And then the third thing, which is what we think is the most important, is to help you apply that truth to your life, because it's in the application of truth from God's Word that's where the transformation happens. Now, here's what we do. Every single Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, we are here with a brand new Bible study. And so we invite you to come back and join us and be a part. Now, before you do that, though, as you can see, there's lots of videos we have available. I want you to do two things. One is make sure you subscribe to our channel. And two, make sure you go visit our website, thebiblestudyclub.com, where you'll be able to learn more about our ministry and who we are, what we do, and all that fun stuff. Now, Thursday's coming really soon. That means a brand new Bible study is on the way. So we hope that we will see you really soon in the Bible Study Club.